Hello YouTube, Text back. In today's video is about how we can edit on our YouTube video editor, which is a video that is already uploaded, and there may be some things that we may fix, like audios, or we may trim some files, or some kind of issues may happen, so we can use the video editor. So before we start the video, if you are new here, please subscribe the channel and be a member of this Realtek technology site. So let's see on how we can edit on our video editor. So we should have to go to the YouTube studio, that your channel's YouTube studio, and on your channel's YouTube studio you have different videos. You may have different videos so that are already uploaded. So in order to have the video editor, you can click on the details or you can click the analytics. So let us click the details section. So on the details section, here we have different informations like details, analytics, editor, comment. So what we need is the editor section, right? So we will click on the editor. So under the editor we will have different things on our video editor section. Here let's start by seeing each things. As you can see here, there is undo and redo. After you make some changes, you can make an undo, or you can make it back, or you can make it redo, or you can change it to the opposite. And also you can discard the changes after you do the editing things, and if you are not satisfied, you can discard the changes and you can leave the video as it is. Or if you are happy with the things that you did, that you can save the file, or else there are options that you can see. You can revert to the original, like discard changes. There is another option, revert to the original, or you can see the keyboard shortcuts informations like zoom in, which is Control plus, zoom out, which is Control plus, which is the minus sign, zoom to fit, undo, redo, and other shortcuts are here available, and you can see and use them under your editing section. So let's get to the video. Here I have my video already uploaded. So how can I edit my video, which is I have different information here. As you can see here it is the section for the video. As it says video, here is the whole video section, and audio, which is it already have the audio, and here you have a blurring part. If you have anything that you don't want to show to your audience, you can add a blur, which is a face blur or a custom blur to your videos. And finally, end screen, which is on the end, of your video. You can add promotions, or add your videos, or any end screen informations you can add on this section. And also you can trim your video, which is, let us see each of them, which is, let us make the video start from the beginning, and let's trim. So as you can see here, it's showing us which is the beginning and the ending section of the video. So we can trim whatever we want. Let's start the trimming section, which is right over here. This one right over here, and right, which is this one. If I want this, you can clear all, which is this section. You can trim this section and you can remove, or you can say preview, right? This section will be previewed, right? This is the section that which is small section, right? So if you want, you can save and do the things, but if you don't want, you can make an undo, or undo back to the section. So you can trim or you can cut out, and you can save anything that you want from the video, or you can remove. For example, if I just want to trim the section, I can take from the video, so I can remove. The other thing is you can add audios. As you can see here, let's make cancel this one and see what if I want to have to add audio to this YouTube video. So you can click here, add track. So I said add track. Here I have different audios, so that if I want to add, I can see here I have so many audios, or I want to add. So time spare or El Sabontia, something like that, and Cumbia City, anything that you want you can add. For example, let me add this one. So it's processing and it's adding this song. So let's make it play. Right, as you can see here, it used this audio, which is a time spare, or you can add from the start audios. Here I have 3 audios that I already start, which is Beyond, Pants, and 19th Floor. You can add by clicking here, by clicking the audio library. Here I have audio library, and under the audio library we will have different audios that are free from copyright claim. So let us take right this reggae, right, and not this one. Let's make it modern time. So I can click here, add star. So I already added a star, right? So let's go to the video editor section and let's refresh. Okay, so it's refreshing. It's refreshing, and let us go to the audio section and let us see the start one. Right, the start, yes, we find here modern time, right? We added the modern time from the audio library section, and you can add to the video, which is, as you can see here, modern time. Here it is added, and if I want, even I can arrange this thing until this section, right? You can you can fix the time that you want the audio can play or will play. Right, here 2 different songs. This one, which is the modern time, and the audio that's already fixed to the video. So it will process and it will add. I think this sound is not good. Let's add this one. Let's remove. You can remove here by clicking remove, and you can add, for example, add this one, right? This 19th floor, and it's processing the audio to the video, which is the editor, which is adding based on your internet connection speed. It will add and make the sound or the audio to your video. So it's finished the processing, which is, let's see by playing. So as you can see here, the audio is changed, or which is the 19th floor. So let's save this to our YouTube, save. So the original version of the video is stored when you save, so you can undo it if you want. So finally you can click save, and it's saving and video is being processed. Please check back later. So you can check back later and edit if anything is not fit with your editing. So it's all about how you can edit your videos using the video editor. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, and if you have any comments or anything that you want, you can suggest me on the comment box. Chat takes out.